Assalamualaikum. Today, our topic of discussion is scenario analysis. So, first, look at where your scenario analysis is located at. You will go to this data tab, and in this data tab, you will see what if analysis. When you go to the what if analysis, you will see the scenario manager and the data table. We will discuss about the data table in the next video. We'll stick with the scenario manager here. So, first, let's talk about this what if analysis. So what if analysis is due is based on your number of input that you're giving it. It will determine the output of those numbers. So let's take an example, okay? So here's an example. You are working in office, and for the lunch, you're available with two options. You either can bring your own lunch or you can buy the lunch. The cost of bringing your lunch is $5 and buying your lunch is $10. And the chances of you eating out is 50%. The monthly cost is going to be 165. So here you can see this formula. In this formula, I have this 22 is basically the number of days in a month. I've taken this, assume it as 22 because I just minus the weekends, and these are the 22 working days. So we are going to multiply it with me chances of going to eat out, and multiply it with the cost of me going to eat out, with the cost of me eat out, and then we are going to plus it with the one which is representing the chances of us not going to eat out, minus with the cost of bringing the lunch. So this is our formula here. And now what we are going to do is, as you can see. Let's say that chances of us eating out is let's say it's 10% that we're going to eat out. We enter, and you can just see the monthly cost is changed to $121. Now, if we say that I'm not going to eat out like for 10% of the month, I'm going to eat out 90% in a month. So the chances are now 90%. We will press enter, and you will see the 209 there is the monthly cost. So this is a little uneasy to, let's say, a little inconvenient to always press on like eat out percentage and change it. So now what we are going to do is we go to the data tab, go to the what if analysis. Okay, we go to the what if analysis, and we'll go to scenario manager. And here you can see these three scenarios. I already created these scenarios. I will show you how to create these scenarios. Don't worry. So as we go to the eat out low, we go to the edit. By the way, add is for when you are going to add a new scenario. Edit is when you are going to edit the existing scenario. Both of them are pretty much similar. We go to the OK, and here you can see all those values that have been put in. So for the low, I have make this percentage of us eating out is 10%. The cost is going to be $10, and the cost of bringing lunch is $5. As we press OK, and if I say show eat out low, you will see that this is changed to 10%, and the value of the monthly cost also changed. As we go to the medium, we go to the edit, we see the name here. And yeah, one thing I forgot to mention, the changing in the cell, I have picked from cells from here to here, all three of them. Even though mostly I'm going to change this one. So now we go OK, and here you can see that for the medium I have selected 50%. You can change it as you want. I selected the 50% because this is appropriate for me. So here you can see the cost of bringing the lunch, and the cost of eating out, and the chances of eating out. We press OK. We go to the show, and as we press show, you can see this eat out change to 50%, and the monthly cost is also changed to 165. We go to the eat out high, we go to edit, we will see the number, you will see the name, and the cells that we have chosen. And here you can see all of these, $5 for bringing your lunch, $10 for buying your lunch, and 90% are the chances of you are going to eat out. We press OK, and we will say show. As I press show, you will see the 90% change and the change in the monthly cost. So, if I'm sorry, I forgot. So if I say like show the summary, as we go into the summary, as you can see, and I will say, yep, I want to see the summary of this. Here you can see the whole summary sheet. So in this, you can see that for change how the change in the cell, how the current values are, and whereas the eating out low on the percentage basis on the 90%, this is our like current value, and this is are the values that are have been changed. Like on 10%, what are going to be the cost here? They are given. Like the results of all these cells, what are going to be the result of all these cells? They're given here. So we'll go back to our sheet, and now I will show you how to make these scenarios. So we go to the data tab, we go to the what if analysis, we go to the scenario manager, and here you have the app option of add. I will press on add, and here they show like name the scenarios. I already chosen the changing in the cell, so you can write it down. And now we name the scenario. Let's say eat out low and high price. I'm going to change like not the percentage, but this time I'm going to change the price of buying lunch. High. For making the price a little bit simple, I will just pick RS. You can pick dollar if you want to. I will say OK. And here it will show you. So what we are going to do is we're going to change this to 15 and this to 10%. Okay. And here you can see this scenario appearing. And now let's add our rest of the scenarios like medium and high. Eat out medium or high price. Okay. And we're going to change this $10 to $15 and this percentage to 50%. Okay. And now we have this medium here. Let's add our last scenario that is going to be eat out higher price. Okay. And now we are given, we are not going to change this 90 because we already at the high eating out high percentage. So we're going to only change the price of like buying the lunch. So we'll press OK. And here you can see all these scenarios that are appearing. As I touch this scenario, I press OK. You can see the change in the price of the buying lunch and percentage of the eat out and the monthly cost that is going to change. As I go to the medium, I will press show. You can say the 220 and the change in the eat out and most importantly the lunch the price of the lunch that we're going to buy and we are going to buy. And now we as I press on the eat out high at high price and I press show, it'll show you 90% at $15 and what are the monthly costs is going to be. So if I go to the summary now, okay, you can see all those scenarios that we already created. Eat out high at high price, and this all right, all of them, and we are going to and we can look at the result of all these cells at one time. So yeah, that's it for our scenario analysis. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.